Autodesk Construction Cloud offers a comprehensive suite of tools for construction management, but before making your purchase, here are 12 things you need to know to ensure it's the right fit for your team. Stick around to the end, because we'll also share an alternative that you can try for free. First thing, Autodesk Construction Cloud is built to connect workflows across different teams, from design to field operations. However, some users find the learning curve steep compared to competitors like Procore, which offers a more user-friendly interface right out of the box. Second, it provides advanced document management capabilities, letting you store, share, and manage project files in one place. But if your team needs faster collaboration tools, solutions like Buildertrend might feel more intuitive for quick updates and sharing. Next thing, the cost of Autodesk Construction Cloud can climb quickly depending on the modules you need. It's modular, which means you pay for what you use, but it can get expensive if you need features across the platform. Competitors like PlanGrid, for instance, offer simpler pricing models that may better suit smaller projects. Fourth, the integration capabilities are robust, with support for AutoCAD, Revit, and more. This is a major advantage for teams already using Autodesk products, but it's worth noting that other platforms, like Procore, may offer better integration with third-party tools outside the Autodesk ecosystem. Next, while Autodesk offers powerful analytics and reporting tools, many users report a lack of customization in how data is displayed. Tools like Buildertrend or CoConstruct often provide more flexible dashboards for tracking key metrics. Sixth, the mobile app is highly functional, but not without flaws. It supports on-site workflows like RFIs and punch lists, yet some users find the interface less intuitive compared to Procore or Buildertrend's mobile apps. Seventh, Autodesk's customer support has been criticized for response times and limited availability. If quick support is critical for your projects, consider whether a competitor with highly rated support teams might save you headaches later on. Next thing, security features are strong, with enterprise-grade encryption and compliance with major standards. That said, if your team requires unique security protocols, verify that Autodesk meets your needs or explore alternatives like Procore, which emphasizes security and compliance. Ninth, Autodesk's focus on cloud-based collaboration can be a game changer for distributed teams, but it may feel over-engineered for smaller companies looking for simpler, less costly solutions. 10th, the software provides tools to manage workflows like submittals and change orders efficiently. However, some users find these features slower compared to other platforms designed with speed and ease of use in mind. Next, while Autodesk's ecosystem is unparalleled for design-focused teams, its construction tools may not feel as specialized as those offered by competitors like Buildertrend or CoConstruct, which are laser-focused on construction management. Finally, Autodesk Construction Cloud's strength lies in its ability to handle large, complex projects. But if you're managing smaller-scale projects or need a simpler setup, other platforms might better balance functionality and ease of use. Overall, Autodesk Construction Cloud is a solid choice for teams needing advanced tools and deep integration with design software. However, if you want a simpler, more cost-effective option tailored to construction management, check out our recommended solution. It's free to try and could be the better fit for your needs.